Hello everyone, for 1624 have some heat for you right here. Old school Direware custom. Comes in a Maxpedition case, padded case, very nice. Double-sided, nice padding. Here's the fire right here, non-flipper. Thick Daddy, old school Direware. I love the fact that it has the some of the original markings, maker's marks on there. Stamped in. For whatever reason, those were so cool, and for whatever reason he stopped. There's the lockup. On some of the newer blades, the lockup's phenomenal. There is no blade play. There is no possibility of failure. This thing is sweet. That's as rock solid as they get. There's no damage, no flaws. Of the accent holes, those are pretty cool. Leather lanyard with wood bead, good wood. Good wood, my friends. Rock solid. Action is great. Listen to that. Boom. Solid lockup. Direware quality, just as you would expect. And available. Scoop it up before somebody else does.